Difference between traditional learning and e-learning, but who I am. My name is Maria Teresa Martinez, and this is a word for Inglés Básico en Nutrición. Learning Evidence, Moment 1. Difference between traditional learning and e-learning. In a classroom discussion, traditional learning, the teacher usually talks more than the students. And in learning, the students talks at least as much as or more than the teacher. Learning process. Traditional learning, the learning is conducted with the whole class participating. There is almost no group or individual study. In learning, most of the learning process takes place in groups or by the individual student. Subject matter. Traditional learner. The teacher conducts the lesson according to the study program and the existing curriculum. In learning, the student participates in determining the subject matter. The student is based on various sources of information, including web, data banks, and the net experts located by the students. Emphasis in the learning process. Traditional learning. The students learn what and not how. The students and the teachers are busy completing the required subject matter code. The students are not involved in the inquiry basic education and its solving problems, but rather it takes set by the teacher. E-learning. The students learn how and less what. The learning includes research study, which combines searching for and collecting information from web data, banks, and authorities on the communication network. The learning is better connected to the real world. The subject matter is richer and includes material and different formats. Motivation. Traditional learning. The student's motivation is low and the subject matter is distant from them. E-learning. The student's motivation is high due to the involvement in matters that are closer to them and to the use of the technology. Teacher's role. Traditional learning. The teacher is the authority. E-learning. The teacher directs the student to the information. Location of learning. Traditional learning. The learning takes place within the classroom and in the school. E-learning. The learning takes place with no fixed location. Lesson structure. Traditional learning. The teacher dictates the structure of the lesson and the division of the time. E-learning. The structure of the lesson is affected by the group dynamics. Thank you so much. This is the difference between traditional learning and e-learning.